देखिए खेल में कुछ ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी तो है नहीं। खेल खेल है। और अगर प्रो कबड्डी लीग से आपने जैसे कहा कि गुमनाम खिलाड़ी हैं, मेरा तो ये मैं तो इससे नहीं मानूंगा। ये जब जहाँ तक मेरी समझ है, ये लोग सब बहुत ही नामी खिलाड़ी लोग हैं। आप लोग को देखना चाहिए जब ये सड़क पर उतरते हैं, द काइंड ऑफ रिसेप्शन दे गेट। बट यस, अगर कोई स्पोर्ट को हम प्रोफेशनलाइज करें और उस द्वारे उनको एक रास्ता मिल जाए जिससे ये भी कमा सकें और एक करियर बना सकें बाय प्लेइंग कबड्डी, इससे मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी। मैंने पिछले साल भी कहा था कि मैं ये एटीट्यूड चेंज करना चाहता हूं हमारे देश में कि खेलकूद बस खेल ही है। इट्स नॉट। आई थिंक इट इज अ करियर। दे आर प्रूफ ओवर हियर कि यू कैन मेक अ लिविंग आउट ऑफ बीइंग अ स्पोर्ट्समैन एंड रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कंट्री। तो इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद क्रिएटिविटी। आज मैं एक एक्टर बन के आपके सामने नहीं खड़ा हूं। आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एज पार्ट ऑफ द जयपुर पिंक पैंथर्स एंड दीज आर the brilliant sportsmen that we have। और मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी कि अगर आगे जाके भी ये लोग खेलते रहें and they can make a career out of sport।
अभिषेक जी, माय क्वेश्चन इज कि आपके प्लेयर्स को लगता नहीं कि कबड्डी खेलने जा रहे हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमें कोई जंग लड़ने जा रहा है कल।
अच्छी बात है।
लाइक फेसेस आर वेरी
सीरियस है ना?
सीरियस
It's to intimidate everyone। मैंने उनसे कहा भैया तुम लोग चैंपियन हो, जरा ताओ के साथ निकलो ना बाहर, तो सब लोग एकदम बहुत गंभीर तरह निकले ऐसे बाहर।
और थर्ड
नहीं, ये सब बहुत मजाक करते हैं, खास करके ये जो है हमारे चोटी अंकल।
सो उनको मुझे वही प्रश्न था,
they actually have a lot of fun।
सर मुझे उनसे ही प्रश्न था कि आप जब भी मैदान में उतरते हो, क्या खेलते भी हो क्या खाली देखते हो? क्योंकि आपको देख के ही डर जाते हो, खेलने की तो दूर की बात।
हम यही चाहते हैं कि वो खेले नहीं हमारे साथ, डर जाए, भाग जाए।
ये तो बेस्ट है, अगर देख के डर जाए कोई तो फिर खेलने की जरूरत ना हो, तो ज़्यादा एनर्जी वेस्ट नहीं होगी, ना ज़्यादा इंजरी होगी, बस देख के डरा के बस हो गया काम।
Abhishek, my
Abhishek,
question. Hi.
Hi.
Sonal from rediff.com.
Hi.
Hi. Any reason behind changing the logo of the team?
Why you don't like it?
No, it's good, but
It's cool.
Was it?
I thought it's cool. I wanted to change it. I wanted to do something which reflected the attitude of the team. I wanted a logo which we had decided last season itself. That I just felt I wanted something a bit more aggressive and something with slight amount of attitude. So we decided to change the logo. We unveiled it about a couple of months ago, and we've got a very positive response to it. I hope you like it. So yeah, that's our new logo. We're in the process of naming this Charlie right now. So let's hope we can find a nice name for him.
Abhishek sir,
जी,
yeah.
कहाँ?
Sir, Abhishek sir,
हाँ जी।
which team do you think that it will be a tough competition for your team?
जी देखिए, पिछले साल भी we have a lot of respect. You know, being a team owner, obviously you want your team to win. We're here to win. But we have utmost respect for all the teams. Even last year, Kabaddi is a game, जैसे आपने अभी कहा था, can change in a few seconds. Each and every team is fantastic. और इस साल भी with the newer players, people have signed on some great new talent. I really feel that this year is even more evenly placed than even last year. Tomorrow we're playing a great team, a team we have a lot of respect for, a team which we played 3 times, which is U Mumbai, and they're a very strong team. But be it Patna, Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, or Kolkata, they're all great teams, and they're all going to be very competitive. The team from Hyderabad also is very strong. So I think this year, in terms of sportsmanship, it is going to be a lot more competitive than it was last year. Yeah.
Abhishek, hello. Hi, Abhishek. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. You have said that you are a sports person by heart. So, what kind of sports would we see Aradhya play in futures? Any sport that you encourage her to play?
I encourage her to do whatever her heart tells her to do. And as a parent, I don't think you should force anything onto a child. You should allow the child to decide by themselves and work hard that you can provide that kind of platform.
Yeah. Hi, this is
Hi.
Colin Parekh from Asian Age and Deccan Chronicle. One question for you and one for Navneet Gautam.
Yeah.
Question for you is, you know, the Pro Kabaddi League was a massive hit last year.
Ji.
It also had a, you know, novelty factor going with it. For the second season, you think, you know, to match the same level of, you know, response it had, Are there any challenges for that, or you think because the first season was so successful, you can simply take off?
No,
from
I
where
think
it
it'll be
got-
incorrect for us to be complacent and say, देखिए अपना जो पहला season था it was successful, so this will also. We've had to work hard. I think getting a larger team to put out. See, last year what happened is a lot of the say first team players were injured, so they couldn't play. Somewhere the quality of kabaddi drops. I think with the enhanced team, with the new talent that has come in, I think the whole attitude of Pro Kabaddi League is to try and put out as exciting a sport to watch. See, kabaddi is a lot of fun to watch. If you haven't been to any of the matches, please, it'll be wonderful to have you as our guest tomorrow. You must see it. It's great fun to watch. It's very engaging for the viewer. So yes, the sport itself is very attractive, but at the end of the day, it's up to them. If they play well and they make it exciting, then people are going to watch it. My thing about sport, and when we start blurring the lines between sport and entertainment, is that I've always believed that you should always retain the sport. Yes, entertainment is good to make it a more attractive package, but at the end of the day, it's the sport that's going to talk. Be it in the ISL with the various amount of celebrity owners coming in, or be it in Pro Kabaddi League, with, like they said, some of my friends coming and sitting by the sidelines and supporting the team. That is very cosmetic. At the end of the day, what they do, how they play, how exciting their play is what's going to decide your fate. And they are very exciting to watch. So yes, it is a huge challenge, and I really hope that we can overcome that, because as anything that starts so well, the challenge is to maintain it and to improve upon it. So at the end of the day, I can't do that. It'll have to be the teams and the way they play. And I think they're up for the challenge, I feel.
I was there last season and covered even the finals. A question for Navneet Gautam. Last season सभी टीम ने same level से start किया because it was the first season. आपकी टीम champion हुई, तो ये बारी defending champions के तौर पे शुरू करोगे. तो you think as defending champion का एक pressure रहेगा because आप आपने summit clash किया, आपके पास trophy है, तो again वही level पे जाना है, तो एक added pressure है. You think वो एक confident वाली बात है?
देखिए, कोई प्रेशर हमारे बीच में रहेगा नहीं, और मैं सिर्फ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होना गलत है. कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे मन में है कि हम जीतेंगे, और यही सोचकर हम आए हैं यहाँ पे, और पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ तक पहला हमारा जो फर्स्ट टारगेट है वो एंटर द सेमीफाइनल्स, उसको पूरा करना है. पूरा लीग खेलना है. सिर्फ 14 मैचेस हमें लीग के खेलने हैं. हर एक टीम के साथ में 2-2 मैचेस हैं, तो वो हमें एंटर करना है. हमारा पहला पार्ट है एंटर द सेमीफाइनल फॉर टॉप पोजीशन, एंड देन गोइंग टू फाइनल्स, वो सेकंड पार्ट रहेगा. तो ये सारी स्ट्रेटेजी हम बना के आए हैं, तो इसको पूरा करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. और कल एक मैच है, बहुत बड़ा मैच है हमारे बीच में, मुंबई और जयपुर के बीच में. तो पूरी कोशिश करेंगे अच्छा खेलने की, और 100% एफर्ट देंगे. अभी अभिषेक सर ने कहा हार जीत का मुझे कोई टेंशन नहीं, तो जब बॉस को टेंशन नहीं तो हमें क्या टेंशन होगी.
Abhishek, hi. Rasesh from India Today.
Hi.
You got a few international players here, one from Iran and Korea, and there's some other teams who got players from Pakistan. They don't get to play in Mumbai because Hussain has taken a certain position. You, as one of the franchise owners and as a celebrity, what are your views on it?
Well, we actually have a Japanese player as well. His name is Takano, but his visa has just been processed, so he'll be joining us later tonight. The quest in kabaddi is to make it a world sport, and to make it a sport that is played across the globe. Obviously, I firmly believe that sports has to rise above all of this. Everybody has reasons for doing what they do, and I don't want to comment on that because that's not my place, and I don't know the circumstances under which these actions are taken. But I do believe that sports and culture should rise above all of this.